Welcome to the Moveable Home, where we take you on a journey through the world of luxury motorhomes, innovation, and design excellence. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a masterpiece that merges the elegance of Mercedes craftsmanship with the freedom of motorhome living. This model is built for those who demand style, sophistication, and cutting-edge performance wherever the road takes them. On the outside, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome commands attention with its sleek, aerodynamic profile and signature luxury details. The front grille, finished in chrome and crowned by the iconic three-pointed star, is flanked by slim digital LED headlights that give it a powerful and modern stance. Smooth body lines, subtle chrome accents, and a panoramic glass roof create a seamless flow of elegance and precision engineering. Riding on 21-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, this motorhome radiates confidence and class, whether parked at a resort or gliding down the open highway. Step inside, and the Moveable Home reveals why Mercedes-Benz sets the standard for automotive luxury. The interior feels like a five-star suite on wheels, featuring hand-stitched Napa leather, polished wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting. The spacious living area includes reclining lounge seats, a foldable dining table, and a large OLED display with a premium surround sound system. The fully equipped kitchen boasts an induction cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, and smart storage solutions perfect for those who love to cook on the move. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with Maybach-inspired upholstery, panoramic windows, and advanced climate control for ultimate relaxation. The bathroom continues the luxury experience with marble-style finishes, a rainfall shower, and smart touch mirrors. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout. With smart home controls, you can adjust lighting, temperature, and media using the central touchscreen or simple voice commands. Under the hood, the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome offers a choice between hybrid-assisted V6 and V8 engines, delivering between 450 and 600 horsepower. Combined with Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, you get unmatched stability, power, and comfort on every road. And thanks to its hybrid system, it can even travel short distances purely on electric power, combining luxury with sustainability. Safety is as advanced as its design, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and a 360 degrees camera system giving you peace of mind on every adventure. Starting at around $480,000 and reaching up to $700,000 for higher trims, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome sits firmly in the premium category. Buyers can personalize everything from interior materials and tech packages to solar-powered systems for off-grid living. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of freedom, innovation, and luxury. It's where engineering meets elegance and travel becomes an art form. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Moveable Home for more incredible reviews of the world's most luxurious and innovative motorhomes.